In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Jira tickets in bulk. If you manage a lot of issues at once, this will save you time and help keep your boards clean and accurate. First, head over to Atlassian.com. From here, click Sign Up. If you already have an account, you can use your existing details and continue. Make sure you have access to the workspace where your project lives and that you have permission to make bulk changes, since some actions are restricted to project admins or specific roles. Once you're in, go to your project or space where the tickets you want to update are listed. Switch to a view that shows the issues clearly, such as the backlog, board, or an issue list, so you can see everything you need at a glance. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to scan the list and confirm you're working in the correct project and the right environment. Now select the tickets you want to close, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and click the first ticket and then the last ticket in the range. This selects everything in between, which is perfect when you need to handle a block of issues together. Take a moment to double check the highlighted items so you don't include anything by mistake. With those tickets selected, click the three-dot icon to open the drop-down menu. This reveals additional actions that aren't shown by default. Choose Bulk Change. This opens a guided flow that applies the same action to all the selected items, which is exactly what we need. In the options that appear, click the one labeled Delete Work Items. This is the action presented in this flow. Continue by clicking Next. You'll see a confirmation screen that summarizes what will happen. If you want to keep a record of the change, you may choose to be sent an email for an update. This can be helpful for audit trails or for notifying your team that the bulk action took place. Click Next to proceed. Review the details one more time to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Confirm. The system will process the changes and apply them to all selected tickets. Depending on how many issues you selected, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, refresh your view to see the updated status. And that's it. Quick, consistent, and much faster than updating each ticket one by one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical workflow tips.